And the time we've been waiting for is finally here. Cause oh my god. Y'all gonna see that I'm acting like a slob, but I ain't none of that. So today is the 5th live eviction on the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season 8 2023 edition. And Big Brother has announced to us through Ikeka that, you know what? There's going to be biggest bag of tricks. English not gonna finish my tongue, but whatever, flips my hair. So anyways, with this bag of tricks that we're seeing, we might have new surprise housemates. We might have fake eviction, probably that of Ilebaye. We might have actual evictions and a whole lot of twists. Any way Big Brother wants to do it, he should better respect himself and know that we at home are not joking with them, the franchise, because we want trouble and we need some people to leave the show to make a statement that some certain things are not permitted on our screens and in real life. By the way, can I just appreciate Ikeka? Ikeka is looking so sumptuous. I want to get my piece of meat. Anyways, so Ikeka introduced the show by giving us a recap on how the house went with the head of house win and then the chaotic fights that happened multiple times with a lot of the housemates. And that's all I'm going to bring you in this particular video. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button to be for notification on every post I make, and I'm going to see you on the next one. I beg, I'm going to watch this video till the end. Thank you. And then, Ikeka came and decided to speak to the housemates. Y'all, I don't know why I'm sounding like this. My baby is sweet. Ikeka is looking so good. Ikeka had to ask. First off, he congratulated Ikeka. It was like, oh yeah, congratulations for being the head of house and all the 9 yards. But I don't even know if it's you or Frodd that was really the head of house. And we understand why, because, Frodd was doing a lot of the work. And then, Ikeka had to ask her that one of these nights that we had something happened between you and Kidwa. You guys shared a kiss. Can you tell us about that? And she was like, Ikeka, I did not share a kiss. I wanted to die. I'm like, Mistake, why are you lying? Even the housemates that were literally watching you guys smooshing, they were laughing and a whole lot of things. And then Ikeka had to ask Kidwa. Kidwa did not deny it. Said it was on Thursday after the pool party that they, at the staircase, they shared a kiss and it was short enough for the camera not to capture, but it seems like the camera actually captured it. And moving on from that, Ikeka decided to, introduce to us the jury members. Individually, you call them jurors if you don't know the word. First is Sasuke. I wasn't being saucy, guys. I really wasn't being saucy. Sasuke said that she's very happy to be here, that if she didn't choose to come here, somebody else would do it. But since she left the show, she's been doing a lot of things. Second is Elo Zanam, the fine boy with no sense. Sorry if I am touching on your egos. They asked him what he has been doing. He said a lot. You can see it online. I'm like, isn't that pride speaking? And then he went on to say that right now he is here to make the right choice. And the final member of the jury is V, who once dated Neil. Ikeka asked her that what does she think about Olivia and Neil? She was like, she was always right. And when she said she was always right, she referred to the fact that, Tolani always liked Neil. Neil was going to be a playboy, and that, it is what it is. And that she said that, her coming back to the show, she feels like it would not be as favorable as it was for her. So she's okay with not being in the show. Ikeka then went back into the house and he had to speak with two people. First was Ilebaye, second was Alex. And these were the questions he asked them in this order, just so that he could find out the truth of all that has been happening with them in Big Brother's house so far. So first, Ilebaye. Ikeka asked Ilebaye, he started by saying that you've had a very eventful week so far in the Big Brother house. In fact, the whole show till date, you have a crazy week, but there's been times of ups and downs. How has it been for you? What do you think about your fellow housemates and how do you see them now? And do you take responsibility for any of the issues that happen? She first said, right now she's observing everybody. She has not taken an action or decided what she thinks about each of them, but she's observing. And then secondly, she said for part of the things that happened, she takes responsibility, and for part of it, she does not. Ebuka moved to Alex, whom he asked that you had an issue with Seyi yesterday. Like, what was it about? We really didn't understand. And Alex said, you know what? Seyi is someone I could go to anytime. He's like my ride or die. But then, anytime there's chaos, he's always there trying to cause trouble, and it caused us to quarrel. And I'm not even sure, and I've not decided that was settled yet. So I'm still going to address that one way or the other. We saw Seyi was laughing. He later came and hugged her and was saying, "Oh, my pump baby, my pom-pom," giving kisses. Then Ebuka decided to announce the bottom two, and to our own shocking observation, Ebuka announced that Ilebaye and Kidwire were the bottom two. Like, where is Ike? Where is Seyi? Where is Pere? At this point, I don't even understand what's happening. And I feel sentiments will lead Ilebaye to be evicted from the show. And so Ebuka came back to the show telling us there's a big news, and that is the introduction of a few more housemates. And then soon enough, we waited for the jury members to deliberate on whom was going to leave the Bbnaija house next. And these guys were saying, you know, they like to see a ship and they wanted something different because there's no strong ship in the Bbnaija house. And we knew that it was going to be Kidwire. Soon enough, they announced that Kidwire has been evicted from the show. And it was unanimous. These three people voted, and they're like, bye, baby boy. Go meet your mama. She misses you, and take out your 100 and how many million naira per month. Okay, I don't even get power. I just want to see the new twist because right now I'm even boiling. Why is she not in that list? Anyways, I'm expecting what Big Brother will do because bag of tricks. I hope it's sensible. And finally, Ebuka had to, you know, welcome Kidwire to the stage, whom he asked, they saw a recap of his experience at Big Brother's house. And, you know, Ebuka had to ask him, like, how was it? And the toxic, semi-good friendship you had with Doyin, what is it all about? Kidwire responded saying that, you know, Doyin keeps thinking that Kidwire has something against her every time they have an issue. But what he has come to understand is that at times she blows hot, other times she's cold. He just knows how to manage it. But if she was thinking that anything major was going to happen between them, that was not really going to be, because he has a girl outside of the house. And right now, what is more important to him is his company is going to launch in Nigeria, and the fact that he needs to go and be sure that his girl is not pissed at him because of the kiss with Mercy Eke. Now, that's all I have for you in this particular video. We're expecting a whole lot of things to happen later tonight, so you guys should stick around because I'm bringing you to you as the ED Hot. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share your comments down below, and also share this video because, you know, your girl's gonna be back. Bye.